What's up, guys? It's your girl Morgan, and welcome back to All the More Glam TV. I totally forgot to move my pile of clothes right here. Actually, things out of my closet that I am selling. Out with the old and with the new. Some of the old, a lot of new, but out with some of the old. If you want to see what's in my Poshmark closet, and I have awesome reviews. I have some really dope pieces as well, so I will link the link to my Posh closet below. Before we get even further into the video, I've had a very eventful weekend. I'm going to tell you guys all about it, but before we get into that, I want to get into this, okay? So I took my braids down, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, then you would see that when I took my braids down, I revealed my natural hair. I got a chop prior to it getting braided up, so it had grown quite a bit, and it was looking really healthy and really cute, and I decided to wear it out for like the first time in years, and I got a lot of compliments, so thank you guys. But in between that time, after I took my hair out from the braids and after I pressed it out, I didn't want to keep putting heat on it because it's starting to grow. I wasn't really sure how I wanted to get my hair. Y'all know how that go. Like, I just wasn't sure. And I was like, you know what? I really want a blunt cut. And I don't know what my obsession is with a blunt cut because I just got my real hair cut and a blunt cut. But so I went to the store and I got some $16 hair, y'all. My total purchase today was like $21.69. I got my wig cap, got a fresh bottle of glue, and I got a 12-inch Milky Way Pure. And I did myself my own little quick weave. And I must say I'm very proud. This is like only my third time doing my own quick weave. And flat. Flat, 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 okay? Body. My sister helped me get my cut, but yeah, so I did this myself. I'm very proud because I'm not a hairstylist. I wanted to record it for you guys, but in all honesty, I had no idea how this was going to go. I was mad nervous. I'm just like, you know what? I'm going to just do it first, and if it works out, then I know what to do next time. I'll have a little bit more confidence. So, if you want to see how I got this bob, and you're feeling it, which I just love. It's just so classic, so timeless, deep part me. And I did it myself. I saved money. I saved money on the hair because I didn't go over budget with it. I went to the beauty supply store and got Milky Way Pure, and I did it myself. And it's flat, and it's gorgeous, and it's perfect, so I'm very proud of myself. Moving forward, it's Father's Day. So you guys, I was mad hype about what I was going to get my dad for Father's Day. My dad is a golfer. He's a golf head. And I was looking for these Clemson golf clubs because he's also a really big Clemson fan. He's from South Carolina. So long story short, I ended up having to order them from Amazon. It got here on time. And so I'm going to show you guys a little snippet of his reaction.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's that? Oh, golf thing. Yep. Okay. Right. Yay! Yeah. Oh, yeah. New head cover.
Like that?
Yes. These will be going on at your golf clubs immediately.
Immediately?
Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah, I know.
And I was mad hype. He was mad hype. So it was a great day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers, father figures. Today's for you guys. We appreciate you, especially the Black fathers. We need you in your homes. I'm so grateful that I have the relationship that I have with my father. Perfect blueprint of how I would want my husband to be. So shout out to my dad. So now that the day is done, I'm about to get ready for bed, and I wanted to share with you guys a few new products that I picked up, starting with this Isaac Mizrahi Terry Spa Turban. Isaac Mizrahi Terry Spin Turban. Isaac Mizrahi Terry Spa Turban. Terry Spa Turban. I got this from Marshall's. No, I got this from TJ Maxx. and it was only $3.99, and it's just good to have for when you're getting ready to take a shower or if you just wash your hair. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna try it out because I'm about to wrap my hair up and get ready to take a shower. So I'm going to try it out and show you guys how it works. Okay guys, so I'm back and fresh out of the shower. As you all can see, I had to add my little cloth mask head thing, whatever you want to call it, around my head. I don't know if my head is just big or if the turban is just small, but it didn't fit my head, whatever. But I wanted to talk to you guys about some old products that I already mentioned, and then introduce some new products that I picked up recently while I was just out and about randomly browsing around. If you all watched my Target haul, which you very much should have, then you will see that I mentioned the Dove exfoliating rice water body wash. I've been using this body wash exfoliator every other day, so 3 to 4 times a week. And y'all, as if like if it was a question if I'm enjoying it, I'm thoroughly enjoying it. I love the way it smells. I also use like Dove the white bar to wash my body with, so I love how it leaves me feeling. And then also, just like sidebar, since I'm giving you all my nightcap routine, I also use baby oil when I get out of the tub. So these are just my personal preferences that I use to keep this melanin popping. But in addition to those things, you all know that I also picked up the Pixie Glow Tonic to Go, and I've been using these pads as well. So I washed my face in the shower with my Neutrogena deep cleanser, and I did arch my eyebrows, and I've been picking at my face, so do not judge me. Again, my channel is a safe space, and I'm not here for that, okay? On Juneteenth, my clients held a company picnic at their Black-owned property, and I didn't even wear any makeup there, and you can check my skin in that picture. It just looks amazeballs. So these products I've been using consistently, and I am pleasantly pleased with the results, I must say. And it's the exfoliating pad. So this is your exfoliating toner. Ooh, already glowing, kids. Something new that I recently picked up. I was just out at TJ Maxx, and I was looking for office decor. I didn't really find anything this trip, but I found some beauty products, which is how we ended up doing this video. But hopefully tomorrow I might get out and try that again and take you guys with me and see what we can find. But what I did find is this Rada & Co. Rose Water and Witch Hazel Facial Mist Toner. So anyone who knows me knows that I love witch hazel. I don't trust any black person, and I'm not trying to be racist, but I don't trust any black person who does not have witch hazel in their home, one. And not just for skin, but just for natural healing purposes. And two, I love rose water. Prior to getting this product last week, I was using my Shea Moisture rose water, but then I saw this, and it has witch hazel and rose water. It's just like, how can I lose? So I'm going to follow up with this. Oh, it just smells like it's rejuvenating my skin. Like, my God. I love it. I absolutely love it. $4.99. TJ Maxx. Next thing that I wanted to show you guys that I've been using, Beauty Eye patches, also from Pixie. Do this. Definitely brightens up under my eye, because I did in my previous video when I initially got these say that I feel personally that I get dark circles under my eyes, and I just didn't like it. So I've been using these at least once or twice a week, and I really have been enjoying them. Other thing that I picked up from TJ Maxx was this Laura Mercier Bath & Body Ombre Vanilla Hand Cream. I love vanilla. I love anything that smells vanilla. I just think it's so classic, so timeless. It's just such a beautiful, sexy, elegant smell. I haven't even opened it yet. I really want to like wait till I'm going somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Just some things I just you just hold off on because you don't want to just pop it open. Another thing that I got while I was out and about at TJ Maxx is this overnight repair facial oil. Let me get it together. From Valgene Labs. From Valgene Labs. So I got this overnight repair from Valgene Labs, and it's designed with a multitasking formula that targets individual skincare needs. So I've only used this once or twice. Still fairly new, but it was just interesting, and I love overnight repair serums, so it worked out for me. Another thing that I picked up while I was out at TJ Maxx, I had a good time apparently, like, and I got everything that I was not looking for and nothing that I needed. So yeah, that's how my trip went. But next I got these Revive Wake Up Call mask, and it has coffee, rose, cucumber, coconut, and green tea, and it's designed to rev up and kickstart your day. So I'm not a morning person. You know, I don't know. I just never really have been. So I'm going to use these to see if it really does help rev up and spruce and jumpstart my day. We will see. I'm going to implement this into my morning routine. So lastly, the thing that I got that I didn't show you guys when I was telling you about my hair transformation today, I did pick up this She Is Bomb hair collection edge control. Because I usually use the Edge Wax Beeswax Murray's Edge Wax on my edges, but and before then I was using Gorilla Snot, and I kind of sort of still bounce between the two, but I am now going to dip and dab into She Is Bomb because I am bomb. While I let my eye patches work their magic, I am going to go upstairs and show you all my lip scrub that I do every night. I've been adding things to my night routine, and I'm so excited to actually finally show you guys. I want you to comment, like, and subscribe if you're enjoying it so far. And let's keep it going. Okay guys, so I'm at the kitchen table and I'm about to show you all how I do my lip scrub. So on the plate, I've already scooped out a spoonful of brown sugar, and here I have my olive oil, and I am going to pour that mixture. So now I'm going to show you guys this lip mask that I've been doing. I usually use turmeric and lemon juice, but with a little bit of honey. But tonight I'm actually going to try it with milk because I heard that works really well as well. So watch how I make this. So I have my turmeric that I got from the international market, and then I have some 2% milk. And I am just going to take a spoonful of turmeric, and I am going to mix that with a little bit of milk. And then also, if you all didn't know, the brown sugar and olive oil, it is an awesome exfoliator. And so the milk and turmeric concoction is great to lighten your lips. So I've made it into like kind of a gooey paste, and then I'm gonna literally spread it all over my mouth. Okay guys, so as you can see, my lip mask has dried, and I'm about to go rinse it off in some warm water, and then you'll be back to see what our final product looks like. Alright guys, so now you can see the result of the lip mask. I do that every night. And then lastly, I'm going to do a full moisturizer with my nighttime repair, overnight repair from Valjean Labs. It's just... Thank you guys for getting ready for bed with me.